Alam mo, kapag tumatanda na pala tayo, mas priority na natin yung paano maging masaya. Marirealize mo na mas masarap i-enjoy ang buhay pag masaya ka. Di mo kailangan makipagtalo sa mga taong walang bilib sa'yo as long as nag-enjoy ka naman sa ginagawa mo. Maiksi lang ang buhay natin, hindi natin kailangan makipag-argumento. Positive people will always choose happiness. Kaya kung saan ka masaya, tuloy mo lang. Enjoy lang natin ang ating buhay kung saan tayo nagiging masaya.
Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever
ในฉันรักเจ้าตัวเล็กแต่ความน่ารักเท่าจักรวาลเก็บใจไว้ให้ดีโอเคไหมครับที่รักเกือบตาย